Why do I say challenges or opportunities are the problems themselves are an inspiration and motivation? I say this simply because when one is inspired by challenges or opportunities, then one gets the much required momentum, which then enables you to go through the rigors of the process, which paves way for creating an optimal, time-bound and valuable solution to the problems. Remember, with the data, you have a potential solution to a problem, and the problem then becomes your opportunity to give your best and create an optimal solution to the problem. I would like to know what motivates and inspires you to solve the real world problems day in and day out. Please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching me in this video. Have a great weekend ahead. Follow me for more such informative videos, posts, tips on data science and machine learning. This is Manjunath signing off. Bye-bye.